Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of Cosplay with Arena. And yes, I know it's been a while since I last uploaded a video. I've just been busy with life in general, like doing my daily tasks. But other than that, we're into part 3 in the KITT project video. In this video, we're going to be tackling the interior and all the electronics, and we'll be one step closer to my replica. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. Alrighty, so for starters, we're just going to be gluing the voice box into the dash itself, and I'm very happy with the results. Next up, we're going to be wiring the dash, and we'll see it lit up for the very first time. Look at that. It feels like I'm reliving my childhood memories all over again just seeing that. Next up, we're going to be cutting up some holes on the arm of the lower console for where the power window switches will be mounted on. Because of the fact that we're doing a Seasons 3 to 4 style interior, then the markings you're looking at here is where the power window switches would have been. If it was Seasons 1 to 2, then it would have been on the lower console where it was stock standards. These aren't going to be the final power window switches. The accurate ones for the show are the 82 to 84 styles. Because the fact that my Trans Am that I own actually has power mirrors, the area that we're cutting out here is where the power mirror switches will be mounted on, so I can adjust my mirrors here. But on the show, they would have used a mixture between electric or manual mirrors. Now for the upper console. For this one, this came directly from Heath over at Heath's Garage, who did outstanding work, and after all the modification, this is what the final upper console will look like, minus the interior lamp. The radio that you're seeing here came directly from KRW. The button decals on the radio are actually done by Goldwyn's Trophies and Gifts, and they did outstanding work that would give them a 10 out of 10. Next up, we're actually testing the electronics on the lower console, minus the power light on the floppy disk drive and the lit up buttons on the Alpine radio. It's all lit up like a 1980s PC, which for that I give KRW a 10 out of 10 for that extra level of detail. For the switch pods, we actually not only gave the frame its coat of paint, but installed both the electronics, the frame, and the labeling that you see later on here. Stay tuned for the next episode for all the wiring. With all the electronics aside, we can now move on to the interior speakers. What we had here is a factory interior speaker that has been reupholstered in the correct color, that has been contact cement around the edges. If you ever thought about replicating a KITT replica interior for yourself, the color that you're looking for is buckskin. Whenever using contact cement, be sure to coat both sides, wait until it's completely dry before joining the two surfaces together to have a strong bond. And here's how it looks on the interior trim. For the rest of the interior, it's been coated in the buckskin color and carpeted to look like how it is in the show, and a stock A2 Trans Am. And here's everything in the interior trim, including the back seats mounted on inside the actual Trans Am. Another thing that we included in the boot is the privacy deck lid, which is also a factory option in the A2 Trans Am. Next up on the interior is that we're going to be mounting the PMD seats, which is not only accurate to an A2 Trans Am, but it's also the accurate seats that they use in the show. And we just bolted the seats in place. And here's the seats bolted into the interior, and I'm really happy with the results. The gold wing for the steering column has just turned up from KRW. The A2 and A4 style center console has been installed with the screen accurate shifter knob. With the door cards installed, let's see how the car's looking so far. Very happy on how we're looking so far. Looking forward to showing you what I have lined up for Part 4 for future updates. And there we have it. We're actually one step closer to completing the car, minus the scanner and the rest of the interior, of course. But I'm looking forward to seeing what goes from there. So without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment on my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram for future content. And without further ado, I'll see you in the next video.